Have you ever stopped to wonder how the apps and games we use every day actually, well, think? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and look at the surprisingly simple logic that powers every single smart decision a computer makes. Let's get into it.
I mean, really think about it for a second. When you finally beat that last boss or you type your password into an app, how does the code know? What's happening behind the scenes that allows it to make that final call between yes, you can come in and nope, try again?
You might think it's some crazy complicated math, but it's not. Believe it or not, the entire secret boils down to one thing: the ability to answer a very simple question. Has a specific condition been met? And the answer can only ever be yes or no.
And this simple yes or no system, it isn't just a small feature. It's the absolute heart of the machine. It's the brain, the central nervous system of any smart program you can think of.
Here's the fundamental process. We give the program a condition, literally any condition, and its job is to evaluate it. And from that evaluation, it can only give back one of two possible answers. Either the condition is met, which we call true, or it's not met, which we call false. That's it. No middle ground.
So, these simple yes or no answers, they have an official name in the world of programming, and getting a handle on them is without a doubt the most important first step to writing code that can actually think for itself.
They're called Boolean values. Now, the name might sound a little technical, but the idea is incredibly simple. It's a special kind of data that can only ever be one of two things: true or false. There's no maybe, no kinda, just one or the other. They are the absolute bedrock, the Lego bricks of all logic in code.
It really is this simple. True basically means yes or correct. It's a green light, telling us a condition has been met. False is the opposite. It's your no, you're incorrect. It's a red light, signaling that a condition has not been met.
And hey, listen up, because here is a pro tip that is going to save you so much headache later on, for real. In Python, the words true and false have to start with a capital letter. This isn't a style suggestion, it's a hard and fast rule of the language. If you type it with a lowercase t, your code just won't work. Remember that.
Okay, so we've got our two possible answers, right? True and false. But how do we actually ask the questions that get us those answers? Well, for that, we need a special set of tools.
These tools are called comparison operators, and their job is simple. You give them two values, and they compare them. That's it. And the result of that comparison is always a Boolean value, either true or false.
And here's the whole crew. You've probably seen these symbols in math class. The double equal sign is the important one. It asks, are these two things exactly the same,